We're here with Giga Chikadze today, star UFC fighter. And why don't you explain to me what you're feeling today and why you came in?
So, yeah, I have multiple issues, but one of the main problem bothers me right now is my neck. And last couple of trainings, I were not able to do the full training. In the past few days, I have not even been training because of this issue. So I really want to check my neck, take a picture and see what we can do to fix it.
So today what we did for Giga is we got him into the MRI. We figured out exactly the level of where he has an issue in his neck, between which vertebrae. The problem that we noticed on MRI is that this disc in between your two vertebrae is bulging back and it's impinging the nerve that passes by it. And that's likely what's causing a lot of your pain. After that, we had our spine surgeon go in and do an injection for him same day, right at that location that was guided by imaging. And we injected a little bit of anti-inflammatory medication in there, which will hopefully give you a lot of relief almost right away, really within a few days. How do you feel after the injection?
Injection was pretty easy.
Okay.
You know, I kind of felt right away a little better.
Okay.
But it's definitely like needs time to maybe like a few hours or a few days.
It wasn't very painful or anything?
No, not at all.
Okay.
No, yeah, I was expecting to have some little pain, but
no.
That's how he warned me. You know, like, oh, you might feel some pressure. But I feel like that was one of the easiest for me. Yeah.
Love it.
So it was okay.
Love it. Okay, good. So you can always give me a call if anything feels funny. But I think over the next days to weeks, you should feel better and better and better. Hopefully get you back to full training within a week or so. Okay?
Probably tomorrow I'll be there.
Yeah.